Now after everything's blended, you're going to put it back in the pan. Make sure this is on low. We don't want to scorch it right off the bat. Make sure you get all that one's in there. And then we're slowly going to add our milk. Stir that in there. Make sure everything gets mixed real well. If it's still a bit too thick, you can add a little bit more milk. And if you add too much, you can always cook it a little bit longer and it will reduce down. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Simmer for about 5 minutes, and there you go. At this point, you could also add some sherry and some nutmeg, but that's completely your call.